What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this new video, an update on Shiba Inu. Yesterday I told you that I was going to probably cover Shiba Inu daily now with Shibarium coming up in the upcoming week. I think it's I don't know when it's about to be released. I mean, it was announced like 3 days ago, and then they said in the next week, so probably beginning of next week or in the weekend. It depends. It could be the weekend. I mean, Shiba Inu is quite smart with that. Usually volume drops down in the weekend. So then if you launch it and you get bullish momentum with less volume, you can actually make the price move more. Less volume is more volatility. But all right, it's just waiting for that. It was announced, as I said, 3 days ago, March the 7th. So it has to be released in the upcoming 4 days. So it's waiting for that. But apart from that, what happened? And we already talked about this yesterday. I mean, technically this was already in the air. Because yesterday what I said is that, well, we were already dropping back down. I said if we are now going to drop down below 1090, which is what I always name the prices as, then we're probably going to drop down to, technically it would look like we're dropping down to 1000. And I gotta be honest, it probably wouldn't have happened if the market did not crash. Bitcoin crashed down quite a bit. But that caused us to drop down to this level right here around 1000. And I think that's fairly interesting. And I wanted to talk about that. We're going to focus on the technicals, but apart from that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links in either the pinned comment or the description. There you'll find instructions on how to join, both in the Telegram and the Discord group. But all right, if we take a look at Shiba Inu right now, I mean, yesterday I said as well, I mean, if we drop down to 1000, that's a good thing and a bad thing. It's a bad thing because we have dropped down a lot. It's a good thing because it's a very strong support. And I still think so, but it does look like we're going to break it as a support, which is obviously a bad thing. I mean, the thing is that it's really not supported by anything else apart from it being a strong key level altogether and it being a psychological support level. All right, so, and then apart from that, also with Shibarium, it's very hard to kind of gauge what the effect of that will be for Shiba, just because Shiba Inu on itself moves so differently from other tokens. Because usually if a crypto is launched, or if a development is launched like Shibarium, usually the price drops. So we could actually drop a lot more. With Shiba though, I have the idea that when it is launched, when it is published, the public beta, I have the idea that we will actually rally. Because some tokens work like that, like Luna Classic also works like that, and Shiba Inu kind of is in the same area as Luna Classic. But all right, so the big thing right now is are we going to break through this level right here between ultimately 1020 and 985? I think if we can stay on top of this for the next 2 days, then I think we can actually rally from here. So if we prove that the level is strong enough to hold, I think that there's enough bullish momentum coming in the next 4 days because of the Shibarium update. That's just what that's my assumption. My assumption is that Shibarium, the launch, is going to get us bullish momentum. If you don't think so, then this is not going to happen. I think so. But I mean, apart from that, I mean, the moment we drop down below 985, we're going to drop down, right? So we really have to, we really have to hold it. If we drop down below that, we'll drop down to 940, 950, and the same thing goes. At some point, we're going to get a support level where we can actually hold it, and from there we'll rally. For now, because I think that there's still bearish momentum coming in the markets, I think we're going to drop down to 950. Then from there consolidate and rally a little bit because of Shibarium. But yeah, I'll monitor it closely. I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, that's my take on Shiba. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.